Hello family, I'm back with you again. I have a Aldi haul. Got a big haul here. Went over there again and picked up some great finds. So let's see what we got today. We're gonna start with our meat. They were a little low on meat. They didn't have much of anything, but I was able to get this one pack of chicken wings. So it was $2.29 a pound. Only able to get 3 pounds, so it wasn't a whole lot, like 10 chicken wings, but we'll be able to make something work with it for our family to have a good little dinner. And they had some chicken thighs, so I got some more of those. I usually get these when I go. And I also usually get chicken legs, but I still had a pack of chicken legs from the last time, so I didn't get any more right now. But these were 99¢ a pound as usual. So I got 3 packs of those, as you can see. All chicken thighs. So that's going to last us a good while. Then I got some bananas. They had some of the Chiquita bananas. I think they were 44¢ a pound. But of course I'll have the price list at the end of the video for you. So I got a few bananas. Like I've said before, we use them in smoothies, use them in cereal. So we like to have some on hand all the time. We just used up our last couple. So I got another bunch. Got some more of the yellow onions. Just a big bag. They were on sale again. I think they were $1.19. I'll have it for sure at the end though. So that's a good buy. Then I got some of these little tiny and tasty Mandarin. So I guess it's kind of like a cutie, if you're familiar with those. They're little bitty Mandarin oranges. So that's another thing for snack, for school, for kids. Like to have something to eat and snack on. Then I got some mangoes. These are actually for my sister, because I'm pretty allergic to mangoes. Every time I eat them, I break out for some reason. But that's just me. I have some allergies. So I got 2 mangoes for my sister. Drop those off to her tomorrow. And then I got some cucumbers. 5 of those. I keep those in the refrigerator. Like I said before, we like to eat them with salt and pepper, eat them with some ranch, make a tzatziki sauce out of them to go with tacos. So it's a lot you can do with them. We always keep them in the fridge. And they last pretty well in the chiller. And then I got the turkey breast. And this is a 15 ounces. If you can actually see, it's 2 packs in there. So you get quite a bit. It's family size, 2 7.5 ounce pouches. No nitrates or nitrites added, no added hormones, no artificial preservatives, and it's even lower sodium. But it's finely sliced. I like those because it's easy to make a sandwich. It's pretty thin. You get a couple slices on there and get a good meal. I also got some tomatoes on the vine. I ran out of tomatoes. I like to have them for my salad. So I got some tomatoes on the vine, 6 of those in there. Then I got our son some of these kiwis. He likes them, likes to snack on them. They have a kind of a sweet tart taste to them if you never had them. They're kind of fuzzy on the outside, but on the inside it's a green flesh and it has like little black seeds, but all of it's edible. And so if you catch them sweet, then they're really good. Just cut them up and eat them in slices. And then I also got some garlic, some more garlic. So I just got the whole bulb, 3 of those. And then I got some shallots. As you can see, it says milder than onion. So it's a onion basically, but it has a lot milder, kind of sweeter taste to it. Not so strong as like, say, those yellow onions that I got. So it's good for different dishes. Got some more vanilla extract. 2 fluid ounces. So I keep this on hand for making ice cream, cakes, cobbler, you know, all of that kind of stuff like that. And speaking of cobbler, I got some yams in their syrup. It's just sweet potatoes, water, and cane sugar. And this is the big can, 29-ounce can. So I got 2 of those. Got one back here too. I got 2 of those. I actually make what's called a sweet potato cobbler. If you never heard of it, Google it. It's good. I can share the recipe if you want me to. Just let me know in the comments below. But, oh, it sounds odd, you know, for sweet potatoes and cobbler. But it goes together. It's really good. I also got some more kidney beans. I just used up, I think I got one more can in the pantry. I put them in some chili. I actually made some deer chili, y'all. Let me know if y'all like game meat, if you like deer, and how you fix it. I want some more recipes. I got one more pack of deer. It's ground deer. And I think they put a little bit of pork in it for some fat. So I used it in chili, and it was good. I couldn't really tell any difference. So if you got some recipes for me, let me know below. And then I got 3 of these fire roasted diced tomatoes. I like these to go into chili too. It just gives a more depth of flavor to your chili. The fire roasted ones more than just the diced by themselves. But you can use the regular too. I got 3 cans of those. And then I got a club soda here. Just to drink sometime. Give a little fizz without the sugar. So sometimes I put some artificial sweetener in there and some lemon juice, lime juice, and kind of make me like a fake Sprite. It tastes pretty good. All right, and then we're going to go on over to our breads. Of course, I had to get some more Hawaiian sweet rolls. Kids love these things. 12 rolls in there. That's the ingredients if you haven't seen it before. And like I said, I got 3 packs of those. So 3 of those, I always keep those on hand. Got a pack of hamburger buns. And a pack of hot dog buns. These are actually cheaper than you can get them at Walmart. Because I think at Walmart they're $1, but here I think they're like 85 cents. Look at the end and check and make sure, but I think it's close to that. So it's a better price on them. Just keep them in stock. I put them in the freezer too if we don't use them all, so they don't get stale. And then just pull them out and warm them up just like new. And then I got some snacks over here. So I got some white cheddar cheese popcorn. It's just their brand, the Aldi Clancy's brand. But I got it last time and it was really good. And I also got the kettle corn last time. That was good. But they didn't have the kettle corn this time. So I just had to get the white cheddar cheese. But it's a good snack in the evening time. I also got some of their barbecue chips. And all of their chips are really good prices. And then I hadn't seen this before. But if you like sweet potatoes, this is something different. Sweet potato chips. And it just has sea salt on it. And here are the ingredients. So there's not much in there. Sweet potatoes, canola oil, or some type of oil, and sea salt. That's it. And there are the nutrition facts for you. So, not bad. I thought it would be a good little change to regular potato chips, just to try. I also got some more animal crackers for the kids, something to snack on. Pretty decent ingredients. There is the nutrition facts for you. So, for 10 cookies, that's the nutrition facts. So we like these. They taste good. Just regular animal crackers. And then I got some graham crackers. Graham crackers are expensive in the store. Unless I can catch it on sale. But these were really cheap, and we were going to do a s'mores night soon. The guys are doing like a camping night in the backyard, and they're going to be doing some s'mores with it. So I just got these, and I already have some marshmallows. Then I just need to get a bar of chocolate. We'll be ready to go. Do some s'mores over open fire. All right, that's all I have for you all today, family. I hope y'all are doing well. Please stay safe. Have a wonderful time with whatever you're doing over the next few weeks. And we will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.